Hi guys, it's Tabby Casto, London-based makeup artist and manicurist, and today I thought I'd show you how I display my nail art. So you're going to need an acrylic display box from eBay, some little like display cards from Amazon, and some double-sided sticky tape. So as well as the three items there, you're also going to need to get some nail art tips in various sizes to create your nail art on. And I usually like to paint these on top of a nail art wheel, and then I'll adhere them with blue tack. Or I took a little tip from Nail Thoughts and used a bit of wood with some screws drilled in so that I could do more in my lamp, so I could cure more in one go. And so once you've got all of that, you can start creating your nail designs. I just usually just have a lot left over from doing like online tutorials and events and stuff in the past. So I had quite a bit of nail art already ready to put on the stand. But if you haven't done this already, it's a great way to display your work in a kind of more professional way. And also you can do seasonal looks, which are really fun. Yeah, so of course make sure everything is fully cured and dried, and then you take them off of the stand in the blue tack. So I've cleaned my little area, and then I'm unboxing the nail art display, which comes wrapped in a lot of like cling film, and it has like these weird sticky sort of protector films on everything, so you need to peel that off. And then I just gave the box a bit of a clean, and then take out the display cards inside of the box, and each side will also have some sort of sticky protective film which needs removing. So remove all of the sticky film from everything, give the box a little clean and dust down, and then you can start preparing your display. So I kind of took all of my nail art from my previous nail art book and all of my nail tips that I had saved from before, and emptied them on the table and just sort of like placed them in an order which I kind of wanted to display them in the display box. Because you've got quite a lot of space to display nail art, I would suggest either grouping them in like themes. So you could do seasonal, or you could do, like I've done mine in like animal print and floral and fauna, and then kind of like abstract kind of vibes. But you could do like Halloween themed or like autumn themed or whatever the season is. So yeah, it took ages. I was just taking everything out, and then you can get your double-sided sticky tape, and you're gonna kind of lay it down on top of the little nail display cards that I guess they're called like Placks. And I started off by putting way too many down and stuck them down. So before you start, just lay out how many you want on each card. I tend to find that six little cards going down and 2 rows works quite well to allow enough space for the nail art to kind of show. So yeah, you're going to stick that down with your sticky tape, and then I sort of laid the previous card on top of the other just so I get the sizing right and the measurement right of where I'm putting them. And yeah, the sticky tape is obviously really sticky, so make sure you put them where you want them before you stick them down. And as you can see, it takes some time, still going here. But yeah, it looks really, really cool. And I think the display box is just such a great idea. I discovered it through another nail technician on Instagram called She Nailed It. And she's really cool. She has really fun nail art. And I asked her where she got it from, and she said eBay. And I was like, fantastic. It took a little while to come from, I think it was from China or Japan. It took a little while to come from there to the UK, but I'm really happy with it. I think it just looks a lot more professional, and obviously it's easy to clean, and you can just really display all of your nail art really nicely. I think I might get another one and have like new seasonal collections on it, and maybe a more minimalist and simple design as well. You can see all that blue tack left over from where I'd had them before. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You will need to get all of these little items separately, but I think it's worth it because it looks really good, and your customers will, value your work a little more. You're displaying it more kind of professionally, and you know, you put a lot of love and care in your nail art. And I think as nail professionals, it's nice to kind of show, you know, kind of that value of your own work. So yeah, check it out and let me know how you get on with them. And it does take about 2 to 3 hours to get it all finally done, so you might want to break down the time. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more of my tutorials and videos. Take care, guys. Bye.